How to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome browser. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. If you've ever been frustrated by pop-ups not showing up when you want them to, you're in the right place. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the Chrome to open the menu. Then simply click on Settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down on the left side and simply click on privacy and security, or alternatively, you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and search for the following setting. Simply search for pop-up and redirects. Scroll down a bit and you will find it. After you found pop-up and redirect, simply open it. Now you'll see a toggle or a button where you can see don't allow sites to pop up ads or use redirects. Simply click on that, and that's it. You've now disabled the pop-up blocker in Chrome. If you want to test it, try visiting a website that uses pop-ups and you should see them appearing now.